Okay, I'm Jenny Palfreman. I am a mechanical engineer by training, and I'm the engineering director at Photon Energy, who are a solar PV installer, sort of design and installer, EPC. So I run the team of engineers who are doing project design and project delivery work. So they are a group of graduate electrical and mechanical engineers. They are responsible for designing all of our commercial PV systems and project managing the delivery of them. So for my day-to-day, I am there to help troubleshoot any issues they're having, looking at signing off more complicated designs for them, helping with procurement, helping with any technical issues, or if they've got issues on site of needing solutions or anything like that, then I'm the person that they're talking to. I love that every day I'm faced with something different. Although you can think, oh, I've designed, hundreds of PV systems. Every system does have something different, that a technical challenge that we're facing or an installation challenge. And so every day is different. Every problem feels like we haven't ever quite seen it before. It's a new challenge. And I get to work with engineers in the office. We get to work with our installers on site and deal with them, our clients, our suppliers. So I just enjoy. So when I graduated, there wasn't really a renewable degree that you could do. I'd just done mechanical engineering, but I knew I wanted to work in renewables. So I was just sort of hunting around for anything I could find really that included renewables, and managed to find a small installation company that had not long started up, and that was when I joined them as a graduate, and I've been with them for 16 years or something now. So yeah. Definitely my engineering degree is really important. It's not necessarily things I learned, it's not necessarily sort of technical things I learned or theory that I learned, but it's a way of thinking. It's a way of tackling a problem. It's a way of sort of seeing something through. So that's really useful, and I need that all the time. But also, because I think the industry is relatively new, I hadn't done any solar or wind or anything like that on my degree. But there's so much training available when you're working that I've learnt it all on the job. And I think that's really the case, that you don't need to have done a renewable sort of focused degree or course. There's so much available when you're working. I think so, yeah. It's a passion. I mean, especially over the journey that I've taken, it's not always going to have been the most well paid or the most sort of prominent, flashy job that is out there. A lot of my university friends went on and did very flashy things, but it's a challenge. It's good. So I think that my dad works in oil and gas, which is my family dirty secret. And so when I was studying, I was determined that I wanted to do something about that in a way, and I was like, there is a better way. So that's why renewables. Why solar? Well, when I started working, we used to do we did a lot of wind turbines, and we did some solar thermal systems as well. And just as a business, we've narrowed down what we're doing. That we did sort of wind turbines in school playgrounds, which don't really happen anymore. So yeah, the market has focused what we do at Photon Energy. I think if you're a practical, hands-on person, get an apprenticeship. We have apprentice electricians, apprentice PV installers. That's a great route in, because all your training will be given to you on the job. You'll be working with people who are experienced, and you'll learn loads. And I think if you are thinking of doing a degree or something, again, don't worry if it's not a renewables degree. Just there are so many companies out there that are willing to train on the job, and you'll learn. So don't feel like you have to know it all from your education. You will learn while you're doing.